Assalamu alaikum and wish you good morning grade 3. Hope so that you will be fine at home and you are spending a quality time with your parents. Today my dear class, I am going to inform you that our revision and our test plan is going to start. So first my dear class, you will revise what your teacher will suggest and then you have to do test of your notebook. So let's move to the revision. As you know, my class, we have started our unit from festivals, unit number 18, and we have done all reading, and with the reading, we have done all the question answers. So today I'm going to give you first, you have to revise first three question answers. What is festival? Name any two festivals celebrated in Pakistan, and what do Muslims do on Eid Miladul Nabi? These three question answers first you will revise and you will practice. After, I will share with you a test that you will do on your notebook. So let's move. Alright my class, first you will write CT, topic is festivals, your writing marks 1 and I have planned here two question answers. First is what is festival and the second is name two festivals celebrated in Pakistan. These are the two question answers. I'm repeating again, what is festival and name two festivals celebrated in Pakistan that you have to do. And make sure my dear class, first you have to revise, then you have to practice and then do test on your notebook with neat and clean writing, and total marks are 5. So hopefully that you will do your work with neat and clean writing on your notebook. And Allah Hafiz to all of you.